Here's a quick demonstration on the connection for our direct vent adjustable length. The adjustable length has an opening on the female end. It has our standard connection on the male end. The standard connection, if you're not familiar with how that works, we have some tooling that has made this so you can line up those indentations. Twist lock it. You can push this Sherlock tab down on some of our 4 by 6.5 products. If I want to take that apart, I simply bend that tab up and I can easily disconnect this vent system. On the adjustable length side, I will install the male end now into the female end of the adjustable length. I have this 3 to 10 inches. When I get it where I need it to be for my installation, take one of the 3 screws that's going to come in the screw package. All of our adjustable lengths come with 3 screws. You set your 3 screws, you're done.